Hello everyone, Big Game Al here, back again on a lovely sunny day. Staying in a Marriott Delta Hotels up in Peterborough. So yeah, let's go check in and see what it's like here. Here is the main entrance. There's a little bar over there. Yeah, let's go and see. This might actually be a restaurant. Not sure, never been here before. Let's go and have a look. Alright, I've checked in, got my room number. Just up the stairs, 249. So let's go see what these rooms are like. Right, we are in the room. Two things I noticed as soon as I walk in here. One, the lighting ain't very good. And number two, it stinks of smoke. Thought these hotels meant to be non-smoking. Anyway, here we are by the door. Very strange place to put the coffee facility, right by the door. But yeah, a couple of drawers. Nothing in them. Right, met by a big double sliding wardrobe. What we got in these? Some hangers. A safe down there. Guessing that's a hairdryer. Don't think I need that. And an ironing board. Maybe it's an iron. Let's open up the other side and have a look. Just curious what it is. No, it's hairdryer. Definitely not an iron. Oh, the iron's up there. There you go. They had an iron in here somewhere. Anyway, I'm messing up the doors already. Been here 2 minutes, already broke the place. Right. Come in here, you got your luggage thing there. A big TV. With a cupboard underneath here with loads of drawers in it. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's an ice bucket. Must be a place to go and if you require ice, please contact room service. And a couple of glasses. I need them. Do some beer reviews in here from the other channel. What on earth is that? Oh, it's an old thing that the hairdryer used to go on. It's a bit old fashioned, this building. Alright. Got a nice big desk. Telephone. Pen and notepad. Got some room service. Hello, me in the mirror. What's in here? Nothing. Nice little leather chair. That looks quite nice. Oh, it just fell over the table. Didn't even notice that there. And that. Right, then here's your room service charges. Quite a few on here. Wow, £3.50 for a Pepsi. I think the price is what it's going to be in the bar as well. Who knows? Well, the menu don't look too bad. But yeah, I'll be having meals in here. And breakfast and dinner. So we'll check out the main dining room and see what the breakfast looks like. What we got in here. Thought one of them might have had the Bible in it. Yeah, we've got a nice bed there. We'll tell you how comfy that was in the morning. Very strange picture on the wall. And is there a Bible in this one? Oh, there is. Oh, it's a Book of Mormon and a Bible. Look at that. Sport for choice, sport for choice. But yeah, these are little... That's how it was light. I had no light in here. It was pitch black. Both of them were turned off. Yeah, it's quite a nice roomy room. Got an aircon unit up there. I think it's a bit hot. I might need that. Let's have a look. Oh, you've got a little... Oh, I'm glad I opened the curtains now. Got a little sofa to sit on. Oh, that'll be nice. Sit there and do my beer review. What's the room like? What's it like outside? So yeah, not too bad. Nice little area. But yeah, I'll check out the reception in a bit. It was a bit busy with people checking in and stuff, so didn't want to record while I was in there. So stick around for that. Yeah, I've got the aircon unit there. Don't quite know how it works. There we go. Get down to 10 degrees in here. Lovely and cold. Right, what's the bathroom like? Oh, Oh, that's quite fancy. Not seen a bathroom like this before. It goes all the way around. Massive mirror. Good job I just shaved my head before I come in. That you would have noticed all my hairs otherwise. But yeah, got a nice sink, couple of towels there, some glasses, some hand wash, tissues, toilet paper, nice toilet, spare toilet paper there, and a lovely big bath with a shower on it. So that's quite handy. I like that. Very, very big, this bathroom. I like the layout of it. It's pretty cool. I'll go back to 0.5. Got to get a bit of angle of it. There you go. Bin down there as well. But yeah, that's the room. And I believe there's a swimming pool and all sorts here. We're gonna go check out the bar in a minute. I need a drink. And then, yeah, nice little table and chair. I'm definitely gonna sit on that sofa later. Oh, and here's the bar. Got a little upstairs bit. TVs. There's the restaurant. Yeah, let's go down the stairs and get ourselves a nice drink at the bar. That bar wasn't open, so we're going to this one, the Brew Bar Lounge. Like a little hair salon there, a leisure club. That's where the swimming pool is. But I didn't bring any swim trunks with me, so I don't think I'll be able to get in.
One reservation. Yeah, for this
Go in the grab and go.
And does someone else's name also? Yes.
There's the grill, cast iron grill. Oh, let's go see if the bar's open yet. No. Right, we'll go back to the room for a I found the ice machine. I thought it was just a water machine, but I tested it. It's just along the corridor, just past the stairs where I went up to the room. But yeah. And you've got these old-fashioned trolley things. Bit of a posh hotel, this with posh people. Oh, right, I'll come back to the room for a bit. Let's chill out in here. It's peak time. It's like between 5 and 6. Everyone's checking in. So hopefully when I go down to dinner, it'll be a bit more empty, and I'll be able to show you a bit more around once everyone's had their dinner and gone to bed. But yeah, there's loads of people here. So I just turned on the TV and I come across this little area here. So it's going to tell us a bit about your room, dining. We can click for more info. There is some other places. So you got breakfast, the cast iron restaurant, which I'm going to be going very soon. That's the one we went in, the brew bar, and the one that was shut was the Senses bar. So when we first come down, we're staying literally above them, above this bar basically. Well, you can't really see, but up there was the area where I took you to earlier when we first come through from the room. Also got a spa, fitness area, whatever this one is, fitness on demand. So you've got a swimming pool here, the indoor pool with a children's pool, towels provided, whirlpool and a sauna. Special guest privileges. Complimentary use of leisure club for guests. Oh, there you go. Maybe I could have got it free. And then you've got the local information and just meetings and events. All different stuff they got here. You can have meetings or you can have a wedding here. Right, let's go get some food. Lovely cheeseburger. It's got a bit more empty in there. That was a lovely dinner last night. Yeah, I had that. I went and sat in the bar. I had one beer. I was a bit tired. I went to bed. So yeah, didn't get to film much of the hotel. But lovely night's sleep. Bed was fantastic. So comfy. Oh, food last night, spot on. And now it's time to go and get some breakfast. It's currently 7:20. I've got to leave here in about an hour. So yeah, lovely view, and I like this little seat you sit in. It's quite comfy. But yeah, let's go get some food, see what breakfast is like. Right, back in the room. Let's wrap up this video. Breakfast, yeah, it's all right. Is it worth £18.95? Probably not. Couldn't do much filming in there. I must have seen at least 5 guys down there in like 4-piece suits. It's a proper business class hotel. This a lot of people talking stocks and shares in the bar last night. People talking about business at breakfast. Yeah, one of them sort of hotels. Probably all right the weekend when they're not working. But yeah, I'm here on a Thursday night. I say all that, but I'm here for work myself. The worker paid for me. So I don't know how much the hotel was. So I've looked at next Thursday, and it's around about £95 a night. So is it worth it? Other than having a swimming pool and a gym here, it's probably about the same as a Premier Inn. The beds are just as comfy, the room's about the same sort of size. The only difference is you get a little sofa in the window, which is only used a couple of times, not really worth it. You draw the curtains, you don't want to open them again, do you? So you're not sitting here in the evening. And yeah, the food was about the same. For, what's Premier Inn? Premier Inn's £11.95, something like that, for a full breakfast. So you're looking at £7 more. So is it worth £7 more? I don't think so. No, it's just your bulk standard sausage, egg, bacon, beans, mushroom, hash browns, tomato. That's all you got for the breakfast. I didn't see no vegetarian or vegan options down there. Maybe you got to ask for that especially. But the woman never asked me when I come in if I was a vegetarian or a vegan. So don't know. Well, unless she said dietary needs. That's part of that. Or allergies. Have I got any allergies? Maybe that is it. Maybe I would have said, oh, I'm a vegan. They'd probably cook me fresh stuff from out the back. I don't know. But yeah, been a very busy hotel this, so not really had much chance of filming. I got here late-ish last night and I've got to leave early this morning, so apologies for that. But hopefully, if you come here, you're staying here a bit longer and you can use the facilities. But yeah, bar weren't too bad, £6.75 a pint. Probably about average for a hotel cost. And yeah, at least you get a nice view out the window. I'm gonna go pack up now. Would I stay here again? Potentially. If I stayed here and I weren't working, I suppose I could wake up later and go down for breakfast at like 8:30, 9, and all the business people would have gone to work by then. So yeah, I suppose I could stay here. I don't normally wake up this early when I'm on holiday, so yeah, nice hotel. Not really much around it. We're sort of in like a business park. There's no pubs, shops, anything like that around. So if you do come here, bring the stuff you want with you. And yeah, it's all right. Room done the job. Bed was comfy. Good night's sleep. Now I'm off. Right. Cheers everyone for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this little video of the Marriott Hotel. I will put all the links down below of all the of this actual hotel, so you can have a look at it if you want to come here yourself. And yeah, thank you all for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.